The body's natural response to exertion or being hot is to sweat. For some people, excessive sweating can be a bother. Heavy sweating, sometimes referred to as hyperhidrosis disorder, can be a sign of conditions including thyroid, diabetes, hypertension, or an infection. People who are obese or out of shape may also experience it. Sweating excessively can also be caused by strong medications such as vitamins, medications for high blood pressure, dry mouth, and antibiotics. The following are 5 home remedies to treat excessive sweating. 1. Baking soda. Sweat contains a specific acid that gives out a bad odor and is also unpleasant. Due to its alkaline composition, baking soda reduces the pH of body parts that perspire by neutralizing the acid present. It not only lessens sweating but also helps you eliminate body odor. Another simple solution is to sprinkle some baking soda on the body regions that sweat the most. 2. Vinegar. Vinegar has an astringent quality that helps decrease perspiration. It assists in bringing the body's pH level into balance. One of the most effective treatments for excessive sweating is to combine 2 spoons of vinegar with 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. This should be consumed without food. 3. Lemon. Lemon, a citrus fruit with citric acid, has a lovely scent and acts as a natural deodorant. Take 1/2 of a lemon, squeeze the juice beneath your arms, and then wash it. 4. Black tea. Tannic acid which found in black tea has astringent and antiperspirant qualities. The astringent quality in turn causes the sweat glands, which regulate the flow of perspiration to the outside skin to constrict. Additionally, black tea is the finest to use because it has more tannic acid than other types of tea. 5. Potato. Potato is another effective remedy for excessive sweating. The ability of this substance to absorb extra water from the body makes it both an antiperspirant and a blocking agent. Simply cutting potato slices and rubbing them on areas which sweat more is beneficial. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.